Rules, rules, rules. Have you ever heard someone say, you must finish your work? You must not run in the hallway. Sounds serious, right? That is because the word must means business. But did you know that the word must is not only about rules? It helps you to express what is necessary, what is strongly believed, and what you feel sure about. In today's video, we are exploring the world of must, a little word with a lot of authority. Get ready for clear explanations and fun examples. So let's get started. You must be curious by now. Let us look at the first usage of the word must. The first usage of the modal auxiliary must is to indicate compulsion or obligation. The one that we have just discussed, that is the rules. For example, you must be back by 10 o'clock. You must not do it. You must see a doctor. Now let's move on to the next, and another interesting usage of must is it expresses determination. For example, I must finish my syllabus by next week at any cost. And the final usage of must is to express a very strong possibility. For example, there must be a mistake somewhere, or the thief's money and jewels must be hidden somewhere in the cave. So, we have arrived right at the end of this lesson. Now you know how to express yourself with certainty, right? If you like my work, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You must if you wish to learn more such grammar lessons. Thank you for watching. I will again meet you all in the next video.